Welcome to our Anything Speaker review, where we dive deep into the world of innovative sound technology. Today, we're exploring the wonders of Anything Speaker, a revolutionary device that turns any object into a booming sound system. From its compact size to its bone conduction technology, we'll uncover how this gadget elevates your audio experience. Stay tuned to discover why Anything Speaker is the ultimate choice for portable, high-quality sound. What is Anything Speaker? Anything Speaker is a revolutionary device utilizing bone conduction technology, transforming any hollow object into a powerful speaker. Compact and portable, it fits in your pocket, ready to amplify music wherever you go. Impress friends with its ability to turn mundane items into booming sound systems, guaranteeing a jaw-dropping experience every time. Specifications. Five important features of Anything Speaker. Versatile attachment. With magnet, suction cups, and adhesive pads, Anything Speaker easily attaches to various surfaces, from refrigerators to guitars, offering versatility in usage. Bone conduction technology. Utilizing bone conduction, it vibrates objects to produce high-quality sound, ensuring an immersive audio experience without traditional speakers. Compact and portable. Up to 800% smaller than regular Bluetooth speakers, it fits in your pocket for on-the-go music enjoyment without sacrificing sound quality. Wireless stereo pairing. Pair two Anything Speakers wirelessly for immersive stereo sound, filling any space with 360 degrees audio. Long battery life. Enjoy up to 3 hours of continuous playtime per charge, eliminating frequent recharging and ensuring uninterrupted music enjoyment. Why we love Anything Speaker. Versatile, turns any object into a speaker. Portable, pocket-sized for music on the go. Innovative, uses bone conduction technology. Wireless, connects easily via Bluetooth. Long-lasting, up to 3 hours of playtime per charge. How does Anything Speaker work? Anything Speaker works by attaching it to an object using magnets, suction cups, or adhesive pads. Utilizing bone conduction technology, it vibrates the object to produce high-quality sound. Simply connect via Bluetooth and play music to instantly transform the object into a speaker. Its small size belies its volume, delivering sound up to 300% louder, ensuring a remarkable listening experience. Why should you choose Anything Speaker? Choosing Anything Speaker means opting for unparalleled versatility and convenience. With its ability to turn virtually anything into a speaker, the possibilities are endless. Its compact size, long battery life, and wireless stereo capabilities make it the perfect companion for any occasion. Say goodbye to bulky speakers and hello to the ultimate portable sound solution. Anything Speaker price and amp packages. One Anything Speaker. Retailing at $59.95, now discounted to $49.95, saving you $10, 16.7% off. Enjoy the versatility and portability of Anything Speaker with a significant discount. 3 Anything Speakers. Most popular offer, buy 2, get 1 free, originally priced at $179.85, now available for $119.90, saving $59.95, 33.3% off. Plus, enjoy free shipping. 5 Anything Speakers. Best deal, buy 3, get 2 free. Retailing at $299.75, grab it now for $179.85, saving $119.90, 40% off. Avail of free shipping and amplify your savings while filling every room with amazing sound. Anything Speaker user reviews. For additional details about this product, please visit the description link at techidevice.com. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the world of anything speaker. If you enjoyed our review and want to learn more about this incredible device, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for future content. Let us know in the comments your thoughts and experiences with anything speaker. And remember, with anything speaker, you can turn anything into a speaker. Until next time, keep enjoying the music, and we'll see you in the next video.